it's this new little shortcut I'm sure people will be taking. You can jump, or you can just take the faster way and go. Actually, a little standing water in there today. And another great shot of the lake. Somebody's been out here doing maintenance. Staying to the right across the bridge. Stop recording. You in the full loop.